friends. Let's draw the France versus England flag together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Toddlers Art Hub. Tap like and hit subscribe for more fun.
Let's all jump up, draw the logo, flag so bright. Color them with all your might. USA, Canada, Mexico too. Welcome friends from me and you. Football dreams for girls and boys. World Cup time brings lots of joy. Argentina, Brazil, Spain, England, France, let's play again. Portugal and Germany, football friends for all to see.
Messi smiles and Mbappe runs, Bellingham joins all of Vinicius and Yamal to kick the ball across the blue.
Draw the ball, draw the cup, full cup fun, let's all jump up. Draw the jersey.
Hi friends, like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. Tap like and hit subscribe for more fun.
Draw a stadium big and wide, fans are cheering side by side. Draw the goal and corner flag, wave your country's colors high.
Whistle blow and match begins. Every team hopes that it wins, but the greatest prize we'll see: friendship, fun, and unity.
Draw the ball, draw the cup. We
friends.
adore USA, Canada,
Don't forget to
Mexico,
subscribe
say,
to
welcome
Toddlers
to
Art
the
Hub.
World Cup Day. Grab your crayons, sing along, drawing football all day long. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Let's draw today. World Cup fun is here to stay. La la la, hip hip hooray. Football.
Hi
art
friends,
for
like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. Tap like and hit subscribe for more fun.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
Grab your markers, grab your pen. Let the drawing fun begin. Flags and jerseys, big and bright. Let's draw football day and night. World Cup, kick the ball away. Draw.
Hi friends, like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. Tap like and hit subscribe for more fun.
Green and blue, football fun for me and you. Draw a flag up in the sky.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.